Love to all my students worldwide. Maths monkeys before you. Okay, students, I expect and hope that you all are fine and well. In last video, students, we have known the method to check the magical trick to know the divisibility of 7. Today we are going to discuss the magical trick of divisibility of 8. Right, son? The normal method, all of you know, the normal method is, all of you know, that the divisibility of 8 is the last 3 digits must be divisible by 8. Right? Just a number is given 4, 5, 5, 7, 6, and we have to know, is this number divisible by 8 or not? The normal trick is, friend, the normal way is, and this is basic method and it's always correct. Normal way is check that last 3 digits are divisible by 8 or not. Okay, so you will check, you will divide this by 8, 8 7 ja 56, 1 will come, 1 will remain, 16, 8 to ja 16. It means this number, last 3 digits are divisible by 8, so the complete number will be also divisible by 8. This is normal trick. One more thing I want to tell you, student, to the divisibility of 2, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 cube power 4 and so on. 2 divided by 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on. It's very simple. The divisibility of 2 is last digit should be divided by 2. Divisibility of 4 is last 2 digits should be divided by 4. And divisibility of 8 is last 3 digits must be divided by 8. And 16 is in the same way, last 4 digits must be divisible by 16. Okay, this is normal way. Now today I am going to tell you a very easier way. We have to find magical trick, right? This is magical way. Magical trick means which takes less time. You have to not to do so much division or multiplication. You have to find, is this number divisible by, we have to check this number is divisible by 8 or not. So what you have to see first, if 100 places, 100 means unit 10, 100 place is odd. 100 place is odd. This 5 is odd. You know 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are odd. And what you have to do, the remaining 2 numbers are 10th and unit and 10th place. Add 4 in it. What will come? 80. Is 80 divisible by 8? Now it is very simple. Yeah, it is divisible by 8. Yes, it means this number 4, 5, 5, 7, 6 will be divisible by 8. Again, I am explaining very easy tricks still. Right? General method you all of you know. Okay. Now my dear students, all of you, take care here. But you have to see 100 place. If it is odd, you have to add 4 in the part which is right to the 100 place. Right? 76 plus 4, 80. Is it divisible by 8? 8 times 80. It means the number will be divisible by 8. Clear? Now I am taking one more example. Okay? 33504. Okay? 100 place. What is it? Odd? Okay? 33504, 100 place is odd. What you will do? In the remaining part, you will add 4. What comes 8? Is 8 divisible by 8? Yes, 8 1 8. It means 33504 will be divisible by 8. You can cross check it by long division. What is the long division method? You have to, what is the divisibility of 8? You have to divide the last 3 digits. 8 6 are 48, 2 8 3 are 24. Clear? But now you do by the magical trick. Okay? Now the remaining part. If 100 places even. 100 places even. Okay? 100 places even. Right, so if 100 places even. Clear? Let's take an example. 6, 2, 1, 8, 4. Clear? 100 place we take even. Okay, 484. We have to check, is this number divisible by 8 or not. If this is even, what you have to do? You have to divide the remaining two part directly by 8. If it is odd, you have to add 4 and then check the divisibility of 8. If it is even, directly you can check, is 84 divisible by 8 or not. It is not divisible. It means 62484 is not divisible by 8. Again, I am summing up the conception, divisibility of 8, right? What is the concept? Normal way is you check the last 3 digits are divisible by 8 or not. And the trick which I am explaining you, what you have to see? You have to see the 100 place. If it is odd, what you have to do? You have to add 4 in the remaining part, remaining rightmost part. 76, you have to add 4, you will get 80, and you have to now check, is 80 comes in the table of 8 or not. It comes in the table of 8. It means the given number is also divisible by 8. Okay. Similarly, it is odd, 100 place is odd. What you will do? You will first add 4 to the remaining part, and then if it comes in the table of 8, if it is divisible by 8, it means that the number is divisible by 8. If 100 places second part even, then it is even. It is very easy. What you have to do? You have to check the remaining part is divisible by 8 or not. If it is divisible by 8, then the number will be divisible by 8. Otherwise not. You can check, cross check this one. What is the normal method? You have to divide the last 3 digits by 8. 8 6 are 48. It will not divisible by 8. Clear? The concept is clear, student? Okay, right? Now student, the last thing, last word to you. You subscribe Maths Monkey and turn on the notification bell for new updates. Give us a big thumb up, comment and share our video. Thank you.